Say hi.
How old are you, Eli? Show mommy.
How old are you, Eli?
5.
You're not 5. How old is Sissy?
2.
She's not 2.
I am 5.
Eli,
How old
what's...
are you, Eli?
2.
You're 2?
Oh,
Yeah.
That's...
I'm 5.
What's a cow say, Eli?
Moo.
What's a sheep say?
Bah.
What's a horse say?
No. No.
What's a birdie say? What does a dog say?
Woo, woo.
What's a cat? What's a cat say? A cat hisses, right?
Oh,
Good
meow, meow. Good
meowing.
job.
What does
Doggy say.
doggy say? We already did that.
What is it?
What does a lion say?
What's mommy say?
No, she says.
You say I love you?
No, she says I love you, sweetheart.
Say I love you.
She says I love you, sweetheart, and sometimes she says I love you, sweetheart.
Does she?
Yeah, that's what you say, right?
Yes. Can you say bye to everybody, Eli?
Huh?
Say bye-bye?
No.
No? You say bye-bye?
No. Bye-bye. Oh, man.
Say bye-bye.
Can you
you
pray?
do
Can you show us how to pray? Oh, nice pray.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Wait, bye-bye.
Say
Okay.
peace out.
Okay, bye.